Hey YouTubers, today I'm just going to review a dart tag gun. It's a rapid fire one, so yeah, it's a pretty good gun. The only bad thing about it really is there's two problems. It's really hard to get the stock clip out and the weight. It's got all the weight down this side. It's not even, that's it really. Apart from that, it's a pretty good gun. And I'm just going to do a few shots, so if you would follow me. Next. Might just do it. Just do it here. Alright, so safety mode off. Now, please subscribe. This is Timothy Smith signing out.